Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your PC has working Bluetooth and the headset is charged. Once done, unplug the Razer 2, 4 GHz dongle. It prevents Bluetooth pairing. Turn the headset off, then hold the power/pair button until the LED flashes blue. This forces Bluetooth pairing mode. Make sure Windows Bluetooth is enabled in Settings Bluetooth and Devices. You're doing this to let Windows see the headset instead of defaulting to hyperspeed wireless. Now move straight to pairing. Now pair on the PC, click Add Device and choose Bluetooth, then pick Razer BlackShark V2 Pro from the list. You'll hear a tone or see a connected status. If prompted, accept pairing. After connection, open Sound Settings and set the headset as default playback and default communications so system audio and chat use it. Also check Input to select the headset microphone. Make sure Razer Synapse isn't forcing the dongle profile. Close or adjust Synapse if pairing fails. Finish by testing. Play a video and record a short mic sample to confirm both audio and microphone work. If you notice dropouts or low bitrate, update Windows Bluetooth drivers and Razer Synapse, then reboot. For persistent pairing issues, remove the headset entry from Windows Bluetooth, power cycle and reset the headset by holding power longer, and try pairing again. This clears stale profiles. One key troubleshooting tip. If the wireless dongle is plugged in, unplug it before pairing because it will block Bluetooth connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.